And right now we're just about 10 minutes away from the planned release of Cygnus. Again, this is Orbital ATK's 8th resupply mission to the International Space Station. The vehicle arrived back on November 14th after launching from the Wallops Flight Facility on an Orbital ATK Antares rocket on November 12th. So we're about 7.5 minutes away from the release. Again, things will start to pick up in the next couple of minutes. You'll hear some chatter from Joe Acaba on board the International Space Station and Kathy Bolt down here in Mission Control Houston, as Acaba and Mark Vande inside the cupola are at the robotics workstation ready to give the command to release Cygnus. And we are coming up, we're 1 minute, 15 seconds away from that planned release. We'll get a call from the crew members on board and we'll be able to confirm with the robotics officer here in Houston once that release command has been given. And we are 1 minute and counting. And you can see the arm now moving away from Cygnus. The crew members commanding the robotic arm to back away. You can see the docking target there on Cygnus, the grapple target, and the fixture to which the arm was attached coming fully into view there. And once the robotic arm's fully backed away and everything looks good, they'll begin that departure burn. Again, that release coming at 7:11 a.m. Central, 8:11 a.m. Eastern Time. The station flying about 257 statute miles off the east coast of Brazil over the South Atlantic Ocean.
Houston Station, Cygnus aboard, commanded.
We copy and concur.
And you can see Cygnus now moving away. That departure burn has begun. Again, this is scheduled to last about 3 minutes.
Station on 2, the Cygnus departure burn is in progress. Continue to monitor departure steps 2 and 3 and 1.602.
And we copy.
So hearing from the visiting vehicle officer, everything looking good so far with Cygnus as it still flies away from the International Space Station. That release coming just about on time at 7:11 a.m. Central, 8:11 a.m. Eastern Time. Cygnus craft packed with over 6,200 pounds of items marked for disposal, now flying away from the International Space Station.